In this video, I'll show you how to enable and activate crypto inside your PayPal account, step by step. First, log into your PayPal account on your phone. On the home screen, you'll see your PayPal balance along with other options like wallet, activity, and payments. Swipe or scroll until you find the section labeled Crypto and tap on it. If this is your first time using crypto in PayPal, you'll see a setup screen. It will ask you to review and accept PayPal's crypto terms and conditions. Tap to agree and continue. Next, PayPal may ask you to confirm some personal information. This could include verifying your identity with your name, address, date of birth, and sometimes the last 4 digits of your social security number if you're in the US. This step is required for compliance before you can buy, sell, or transfer crypto. Once your identity is confirmed, the crypto feature will be fully activated in your account. Now, when you go back to the crypto section, you'll see options to buy, sell, receive, or send cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. That's all it takes to enable and activate crypto inside your PayPal account. Once set up, you can buy as little as $1 worth of crypto, move coins to external wallets, or receive crypto from other wallets directly into PayPal. If you're enabling and activating crypto in your PayPal account, it's a great time to think about how you'll move and convert funds efficiently once you start buying or selling. Wise is one of the best tools for this because it offers excellent exchange rates, low fees, and multi-currency accounts, making it easy to move money between PayPal, banks, and other platforms without losing much to fees. Right now, Wise has an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below, and your first transfer of up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Creating your account is 100% free and only takes a few minutes. You can also earn cash rewards with Wise's referral program. When you invite friends to create a free account and they make a qualifying transfer or spend with their Wise card, you get paid. It's a simple way to make extra money alongside your crypto transactions. If you want to save on fees, move your funds more effectively, and even earn rewards, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and claim your $800 fee-free transfer today.